children, welcome back to this session. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to see Essay 1 revision in Social Science. Okay children, now let's see about portions and blueprint of Essay 1. Portions, Lesson 1 Kingdoms of Rivers, Lesson 2 Five Landforms, Lesson 3 Municipality and Corporation. You have to refer classwork and textbook for Essay 1 exam. Okay children. Okay, next we will see blueprint of essay 1. Total marks 60. Okay, first Roman letter, choose the correct answer for 6 mark. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks for 6 mark. Roman letter 3, match the following for 6 mark. Roman letter 4, write true or false for 6 mark. Roman letter 5, answer the questions under the caption for 6 marks. Roman letter 6, answer in 1 or 2 sentences for 10 marks. In this Roman letter, you have to answer 5 questions. Okay, each questions have 2 marks. Okay, 7th Roman letter, answer in detail for 10 marks. Okay, next one. 8th Roman letter, mark the places on the given political outline map of Tamil Nadu. 9th Roman letter, draw any two kingdoms flag and its names for 5 marks. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Dash is the second longest beach in the world. Marina Beach, Kovalam Beach. Which one is the correct answer? Marina Beach. Marina Beach is the second longest beach in the world. Second one, the large area covered by trees is called dash, garden or forest. Forest is the correct answer. The large area covered by trees is called forest. Dash is the highest mountain in Eastern Ghats. Servarayan Anaimalai. Servarayan is the highest mountain in Eastern Ghats. Fourth, Dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Pichavaram is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Fifth, the land of Neithal is made of dash soil. Red, slain, black. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, saline soil is the correct answer. Sixth, Chera, Chola and Pandyas were called dash. Nayanmars, Movendargal, Kurunila Mannargal. Movendargal is the correct answer. Chera, Chola and Pandyas were called Movendargal. Seventh one, the Vallal feudal lord who gave his chariot to Mullai was dash, Pari, Pagan, Adiyaman. What will be the answer? Yes, Pari is the answer. Okay, the Vallal feudal lord who gave his chariot to Mullai was Pari. The epic Silappatikaram written by dash, Ilango Vadigal. The epic Silappatikaram written by Ilango Vadigal. Dash is an example for cantonment boards. Parangimalai, Vellur, Chennai. Parangimalai is the correct answer. Parangimalai is an example for cantonment boards. 10th, the father of the corporation is called dash, mayor, president, member. What will be the answer? Yes, mayor. The father of the corporation is called mayor. Dash Dam is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Mettur, Kallanai, Kodumudi. Okay, Kallanai is the correct answer. Kallanai Dam is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. 12th one, the efficient king among Cheras was dash. Karigalan, Valvilluri, Cheran Chenguttuvan. Okay, the efficient king among Cheras was Cheran Chenguttuvan. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the world oldest dam still in use. Kallanai is the world oldest dam still in use. Second one, dash was the greatest Chola king of the ancient period. Karigalan was the greatest Chola king of the ancient period. Karigalan was the greatest Chola king of the ancient period. Third one, dash erected statue of Kannagi. Chenguttuvan erected statue of Kannagi. Fourth one, the flag of Pandya was dash fish. Fifth one, dash is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world, Kallanai. Sixth one, the vast flat land on the earth is called plain. Sixth one, the vast flat land on the earth is called plain. Seventh one, the agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. Eighth one, Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Ninth one, the oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu, Chennai. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu, Chennai. 10th one, the tenure of municipality is dash years, 5 years. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. 11th one, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. 12th one, the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a three-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1957. 13th, Das Forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Kiripare Reserve Forest is located in Kanyakumari district. 14th, the name of the useless land is Follow Land. Which land? Follow Land. Now let's read the next Roman letter. Match the following. Okay, already I matched. Okay, now I am going to read. Listen carefully. Cheras River, Poigai. Cheras River, Poigai. Cholas River, Kaveri. Cholas River, Kaveri. Pandyas River, Vaigai. Pandyas River, Vaigai. Pallavas River, Palar. Pallavas River, Palar. Okay, next. God. God name Murugan. God name Murugan. Flower name Kurinji flower. Flower name Kurinji flower. Kurinji flower blooms once in 12 years. Okay, the next people. People names Kuravar Kuratiyar. Kuravar Kuratiyar. Occupation root gathering. Occupation root gathering. Next, rural local body Grama Panchayat. Rural local body Grama Panchayat. Ripon building Lord Ripon. Ripon building Lord Ripon. Neyveli township is the example of township. Neyveli is the example of township. Chola. Chola. Kuda Olai. Mayor, corporation, mayor, corporation. Okay, children. Now let's see the next Roman letter. Write true or false. The first one, Tondai Mandalam is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. It is correct. So, answer is true. The second one, the name of recently declared 14th corporation is Nagarkoil. Yes, it is true. Third one, in Tamil Nadu, there are 346 municipalities. It is wrong. Okay, false is the answer. Fourth one, Mangudi Marudanar wrote Madurai Kanji. It's correct. So answer is true. Fifth one, Vanji was the capital of Pallavas. It's wrong. Vanji was the capital of Chera. So answer is wrong. So answer is false. Sixth one, the agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. It's true. Seventh one, the head of the municipalities is called the president. It's true. Eighth one, Anaimalai Hills is the highest mountain in Western Ghats. It's true. Ninth one, the land of Mullai has black soil. Okay, it's wrong. The land of Mullai has red soil. So, answer is false. 10th one, Kurunji flower blooms once in 4 years. It's wrong. Kurunji flowers blooms once in 12 years. So, the answer is false. 11th one, pagan put his shawl around the peacock. It's true. 12th one, Pattinapalai written by Ilangovadigal. It's wrong. So, answer is false. Okay, children, now let's see the next Roman letter and answer the question under the caption. The first caption, high landforms. First question, what is the name of the mountains and its surroundings? Answer, Kurunji land. What is spelling of Kurunji? Kurinji, Kurunji land, Land, Kurunji land. Second one, what is the name of the forest region? Mullai land, Mullai, Mullai land, Land, Mullai land. Next, which flower blooms once in 12 years? Okay, which flower? Yes, Kurunji flower. Kurinji, Kurunji flower. Flower. Kurunji flower. Okay, in the next caption, Sangam age. Okay, name the person who offered gooseberry to the poetess Avvai. The answer, Adiyaman. Athiyaman. Adiyaman. The next, who put his shawl around the peacock? Answer, Pehan. 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 Next, who said Yano Arasan Yane Kalvan? Who said this word? Yes, Pandya Nedinjeliyan. Pandya Nedincheliyan. Nedun Nedunchelian. Chezhian Nedunchelian. Caption: Municipality and Corporation. How is the chairperson of corporation called? Mayor. 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 The next one, what is the name of recently declared 14th corporation? Nagarkoil. Nagercoil. Nagarkoil. Next one, give an example of township. Neyveli. Neybeli. Neyveli. Okay children, I hope this video is very useful for your essay 1 exam revision. Practice it children. Okay, thank you children.